I often wonder what people think in my videos because all my doors squeak. I notice when I go through my videos, I always, that's a sweet piece, huh? I snuck out and bought that for my wife for her birthday, I think, 20 years ago. See, people just hear squeaks, but to me, those are like alarm systems. I can tell whatever door in the house is opening just by the sound, no matter where I am, you know. Plus it took 30, well, I've been here since 1977 in this house, so what's that, 20, 45, 47 years? So it took 47 years to get all these doors squeaking. Hey, that's my story, I'm sticking to it. Hillbilly alarm system, we'll call that. Squeaky doors. Hey, this evening around 6 or 7, I'm going to try to do a live, so if you're around, jump in and catch it. 6 or 7 this evening. It's Sunday, I don't know what the date is, 28th? No, it's not that far.
It is 25th.
26. That's my story, I'm sticking to it.